Omo, please watch this video with me.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. Do you know what I don't understand? Why is everybody so angry that this man married an attractive American doctor? Is it paining you that you've seen what you can never compete with? And the comments, my God. That's the gender that is insulting the marriage, insulting the woman, insulting everything that they are seeing. Now, men are happy. Man see man marrying well, man smile. Man say God when. Woman see woman marrying down apparently. Woman gets issue with them. Look at this stupid comment above my head talking about pastors and actors. Madam, it's all of us who, even me. I want a woman with money that can offer me things. Yeah, that can make sure my kids are good. No brokies.